Hi guys, I finally got my order from Temu. I've been waiting for this for 3 weeks already, and today I received it. Because of the situation here in Israel, the delivery is kinda late this time, but usually they have fast delivery compared to other online store. Temu is they have faster delivery. So I'm so excited. This is actually the third package. The two other packages I've already received it 2 weeks ago, and this one is the last package. Oh, yeah, this size is good. This is for the toilet bowl in the base of the toilet. This tape adhesive, and this is like a cream to put on the wall, fill all the holes on your wall. So this one is for that, and this one is for the broken tiles grout. I also ordered this one. How many? What is this? Oh, this one is for the clothes. Lint remover. Okay, and this one is a scraper. It's a ceramic and glass scraper, so it's movable like that, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 extra blade. This is the third one. This is the second one. Oh, this is the second one. I've already got the first one of this. This is the smaller one for bra and like a delicate fabric of your clothes. You can put it inside and put it inside the washing machine. And this one is, oh, it's nice. It has a big different sizes. This is a furniture felt pads. So this is great. I can put it under a chair or anything. And this one is, oh, this is a glass glue adhesive. Glass glue adhesive. Because there's a broken glass in the cupboard, I'm gonna try this one, how effective it is. And this one, oh, this is so small. I thought it's big, but this is small. But it's still cute. I'm gonna put fruits in it. So this is nice, very cute. This tissue storage is kind of long. I don't know. It's very nice. This is bamboo cover. Okay. And what is this one? Oh, so this one is essential oil diffuser. It is 300 ml. It has USB cable, manual, quick start guide, and of course remote control. I'm so excited to try it, and let's see how it works. I've already ordered essential oil from iHerb, so let's find out. And how about this one? Windshield for the air condition, but why? Oh, it's folded. Look at this. Because the air condition in our room, it is centralized, so I need something like this. Wow, this is so long. This is for a big AC, but we have only there small, because it is centralized, it has like a small ventilation. So probably I should cut it. I should cut it into two, like that. So these are all the things that I've got from Temu. I really love the product of Temu. It is very cheap, and also they have good quality product and free shipping. That's the most important thing. It is free shipping. So I'm gonna read how to install it. Is there any manual? No, there is no manual. And probably go to Temu site how to install it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See ya.